dirty mind check అని చెప్పేసి.
Okay.
Okay? I'll give you a word.
Okay.
Okay? And you have to give me the other half of that without being dirty. Gang is the word. 10 seconds. 10.
Gangs of Wasseypur.
Okay, fair enough. Rough.
Road.
Okay. Casual.
Habits.
Wow. Not bad. Blow.
Your mind.
Holy.
Cow.
Oh, wow.
What?
Wow.
I told you I'm a very politically correct person.
But ఇచ్చిన టైం చాలా తక్కువ and you've not been briefed about it కదా.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
No need. I'm in life also I'm very politically correct.
See, మిగతావన్నీ ఓకే కానీ హోలీకి మాత్రం నేను చిట్టనే అంట. Did your parents ever hear you talking or swearing?
Once.
Cuss words? అవునా?
Once.
Okay. Okay, tell me about it. What happened?
I got like one look of my life from my father.
Oh,
Like that.
I believe time changes everything for
Yeah.
good or for bad.
Yeah.
And you've
Yeah.
got 2 years of time.
Yeah.
You could have done wonders with that time, or you
Yeah.
could have simply sit idle.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wanted to know, our రెండేళ్లలో,
Yeah.
your injury time lo,
Yeah.
what did you do? What did you learn? And how did that change you as a person?
Okay. So what happened to me was that as soon as my injury happened, people know about my story before the injury. I mean, before all of this, because I was still making a lot of movies.
Right.
But for me, 2019 was my biggest hit
Correct.
of my career.
Right.
And then post that, there was 2 years of pandemic.
Right.
Generally what happens when an artist start their career, when they have like the huge hits only, they'll have access to good kind of projects which is happening in the market.
True. True.
We will get access to that.
True.
And that's why at least me, who come to the industry purely on basis of to do good work, I've always just wanted to be in a great project, do like crazy characters and learn from people and all of that. Post that 2 years is where the industry was shut.
Right.
And I still had 3 projects. I was a girl who signed couple of new projects sitting at home during pandemic.
Mm-hmm.
And then mine was the first movie to release after first lockdown, Solo Bratuki So Better.
Right.
Mine was the first hit of the country.
Right.
We beat the Wonder Woman.
Right.
And all of that. But post that, I met with an accident. What happens to you is that when you meet with an accident, I was like in a zone like, oh my God, what is happening with me?
Mm-hmm.
I have a huge hit and there is
A lot of opportunities.
unexpected, a lot of opportunity, but unexpected shutdown of the whole world has happened.
Right.
Which is not my mistake.
Right.
And then everything is sorted on Kosariki. I met with an accident.
Right.
And it was like a zone, like I can't let my injury affect my work.
Absolutely.
So I just started pushing myself.
Hmm.
First thing I started doing is that like once I kind of started dwelling in the sorrow that like, oh nothing, like oh what is happening with my life and all that, I obviously you go into that zone like and like start eating and like
Right.
doing unhealthy sleeping and all
Right.
that you
Right.
know that general
Right.
stuff. I don't have to tell people know about it.
Right.
Everybody's talking about it in Instagram.
Right.
So first thing I did is like, see, when you decide to change now, that is a different ball game.
Correct.
You know for the fact that you need to fix this,
Hmm.
but you want it to be changed tomorrow,
Right.
which does not happen.
Right.
That's what I realized. The first thing I started doing is that let me fix my sleep cycle.
Hmm.
For almost 3 to 4 months, I've just focused on sleeping early, waking up early and hitting the gym.
Right.
That's what I did. That's all I did, and I read a couple of books which was just kind of helping me become stronger and like yielding me into doing better on a daily basis.
Do you remember the names of the books?
A lot of books. I think one book which could change everybody's life is the 5 a.m. Club. Couple of books because it was just like a guide to getting your mind space better.
Right.
So first book which is an amazing book, I would recommend it to everybody. It's called the 5 a.m. Club. Guys, it is not just about waking up early. That's what I thought.
That's what I think too.
No, it is
That's
not.
the biggest problem.
It is
no?
not. It's not. It is
Okay.
not. You know what? I bought this book like about before this thing 5-6 years ago
Mhm.
because I wanted to get up early. That's why
Right.
I bought that book and I didn't read it.
Right. Obviously.
I didn't read it.
We all do that.
Nobody wants to wake up at 5 o'clock because I definitely do not want to.
Hmm.
So I started doing that, and once I started hitting the gym and started doing weight training, is when I started becoming stronger because on a daily basis I'm moving something.
Right.
Like today I'm lifting 2 kgs, like tomorrow probably 2.5. It's still like 1% of
Absolutely.
improvement, and I started doing better with my shoulder and everything. So, and I did a lot of self-reflection, and I'm a painter. I'm like I do a lot of
Wow.
artistic stuff. So I just involved myself into a lot of creative process during those times.
What's your love language?
My love language. My
You
love
have-
language.
Yeah.
Lot of them. But I think currently like sending memes.
So,
Because memes are also showing so much love for me. Like whenever I have like some kind of a thought or whatever, that pops up in my feed.
Kada? And
Yeah.
memes understand us better than our friends do at a lot of times.
Could be, man.
I
Could
feel
be.
I feel memes reflect my inner self, darkest desires better
than human beings. So
Yeah.
do you think we should start loving memes and people?
I think.
వద్దు వద్దే వద్దు మనకి జనాలు.
So you're actually that kind of girl, like solo bratke so better kind of a girl.
Yes, man, I'm super single, super happy.
And by choice, you like it.
By choice.
Not because you had a bad breakup or something.
By choice. Because I feel like being single is a superpower. It's like a superpower where you can just like go to sleep.
Did you say Guru?
No. What?
Because Bangalore people do that. Hey, beda Guru, beda.
Guru, Macha, Mama, Bob,
Maga.
Bob is also running a lot in
Bob.
Bangalore. Bob.
Telugulo Bob ante Mahesh Bob.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Babu, na.
Yeah, on Twitter lo they refer to him as Bob.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. In Bangalore, we call each other, hey, what, Bob? What, Mama? Hey, sumne tala tinbada, Mama, and all that.
What's your favorite biryani place? Do you like biryani?
I love biryani.
Nice. What's your favorite biryani place in Hyderabad?
Oh God! Oh, this Cafe Bahar or something somewhere. Biryani. A couple of my friends made me eat. I was like, wow, because I've been on a diet forever.
Right.
And then probably I don't know. Like, what is yours?
Depending upon my mood. If it's the evening, then I like mutton biryani from Nawab's.
How does it make a difference, evening or morning?
So every typical Hyderabadi biryani place has its own distinctive flavor. The
Okay.
masala and the kind of pieces.
Okay.
And how hungry
Kind
I
of
am.
pieces.
Yeah, the kind of pieces, how they're
Alright,
dumped and all that. I'm very particular about that.
Okay. Wow,
So,
you're very particular about that.
yeah.
Hyderabadis are very particular about the pieces.
Yeah.
Remember, guys, for me it is like whatever, biryani.
ఇప్పుడు మనం ఓ ప్రాపర్ ప్లేస్ లో మంచి దోశ తినాలంటే 100 రూపీస్ అవుతుంది.
Okay.
You spend 100 more, you get biryani.
Oh,
So
like
that's how Hyderabadis look
Dosa
at.
is not to be spent on like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
can't.
Yeah,
Hyderabadis
I would
look
love
at food that way.
Yeah.
You go to a place, 100 rupees dosa, 200 rupees Mehfil ka biryani.
Oh, like
Let's
that.
eat it.
Mehfil ka biryani is good.
Mehfil ka biryani is amazing. Mehfil ka
That
biryani is
also
amazing.
happening.
If you want mutton biryani, then Nawab's is amazing.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, Nawab's is near.
I like Four Seasons mein what is that? Kabza.
Kapsa laham.
Oh, it's amazing, man. It's like mild and like nice
But
piece,
oh yeah,
for you.
correct.
tender.
But you have to
Like
try.
this.
You have to try this amazing mutton curry and biryani, and with their traditional roti in Peshawar.
Peshawar.
Yeah,
Okay.
Peshawar is a place where you get the most authentic mutton and chicken.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
and if you want to eat lamb chops, then Toshedan.
Okay.
It's near your place, financial district.
Oh, okay.
And for all other mutton starters and chicken, Golden Pavilion. Naba నువ్వు రెండు పనులు చేయాలి.
Okay.
ఒకటి విజయవాడలో ఫస్ట్ డే ఫస్ట్ షో పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ సినిమా చూడాలి
Okay.
ఆర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ సినిమా. ఎనీ గుడ్ ఫిల్మ్ విజయవాడ లేకపోతే గుంటూరులో చూడాలి.
Okay.
రెండు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ట్రిప్లెస్ లో ఇడ్లీ తినాలి.
Vijayawada, this is?
ట్రిప్లెస్ అనే ప్లేస్ లో ఓన్లీ ఇడ్లీ సర్వ్ చేస్తారు, ఇంకేం
Oh,
ఉండదు.
I think I might be going to Vijayawada for a shoot. I will do that.
అవునా?
Yeah.
There's only ఇడ్లీ.
I might
Nothing
be going
else.
for Swayambhu, so I'll probably do that.
Oh, are how's that coming up?
It's
What can you
amazing.
tell us about that?
I'm playing a classical dancer.
Oh wow. Wow.
My look is amazing in the film, and I'm looking the best in the film because we have Senthil so, and we have Nikhil killing it, and we have gorgeous sets. Drama is coming out very nicely, and the director is amazing. He's like very knowledgeable. So yeah, it is coming out very well, man.
ఇప్పుడు జనరల్గా ప్రతి రోల్ నో మ్యాటర్ విచ్ రోల్ సమ్ హోంవర్క్ దట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ కదా.
Yeah.
Now you're not married. You're anywhere not close to a relationship. Okay, you're not that kind of a girl. Oh, how did you do your homework for that kind of a role where you're
Arey, you know what? You think something about darling, but it is not.
oh
Whatever you think, that is not. That's the speciality about this film. You come to the theaters, you will get surprised. Because when I listen to the script,
Mhm.
Director Ashwin,
Mhm.
he actually like acted it out and is one of the best narration I've heard in my life. And this was a time where I was actually contemplating నేను ఎలాంటి సినిమాలు చేయాలి because నేను ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని రకాల సినిమాలు చేసేసా.
correct.
This is going to be my 10th film.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is going to be my 10th
Nice.
film. I've done commercial films, I've done content films and everything. But నేను మళ్ళీ సినిమాలకి జనాల ముందు వస్తున్నానంటే నేను ఏదో ఒకటి I wanted to like
కొంచెం
because
impact.
no, not just that, not కొంచెం impact, more impact.
Ah,
Not కొంచెం and all that.
You
This is
don't
more
like కొంచెం
impact.
only.
I do not like కొంచెం. Nothing little in life anymore.
Absolutely.
People are like loving content. People want audience. People want their actors to do something, put their real stuff out.
so true.
That time I heard this story somewhere, I'm like, నాకు నేను థాలీ నాన్ వెజ్ థాలీ దొరికితే చాలు అనుకుంటే ఇప్పుడు మెహవిల్ కా బిర్యానీ దొరికింది నాకు విత్ డబుల్ కా మీఠా ప్లస్ ఏప్రికాట్ డిలైట్ ప్లస్
Wow.
all of that. That is what I've like done in this film. I've done, I think I for me, I feel this is my best film till date.
Arey wow.
Yeah.
I'm super glad you got to do what you
And you have to go and watch